I know you've been waiting for this video. So let's get into the best part of crypto. How can you make money from it? With the number of millionaires that crypto has created over the last 10 years, nobody wants to get left behind. Even mega companies like Tesla and Square are investing in crypto because it's profitable. In February 2021, Tesla made $1 billion in profit from Bitcoin in 1 month. But that's Tesla and their billions, not you and me. Without a rock-solid plan, you shouldn't just jump in. There are two main ways to make money from cryptocurrency, depending on your risk level. You can buy and hold the crypto for a long time and wait for its price to increase. Or you can buy and sell as soon as the price goes up. Buying and holding crypto for a long time is a great way to make money, especially if it's a solid coin. In 2015, one Bitcoin was $300, but by early 2021, it was $65K. So if you had bought $100 worth of Bitcoin by then, you would have about 21,000 at some point. Okay, so pause. 65K for one Bitcoin sounds crazy. Luckily, the crypto gods understand that not everyone can buy that at once. So you don't have to buy one full Bitcoin. You can buy small amounts. For example, $5 will get you 0.000 something Bitcoin. You can also buy it at different points. It could be weekly, monthly, when you feel like it. But you have to research the best coins to buy because there are so many. If you want to trade instead, prices change daily and you can buy and sell when they do. For example, if you buy one Bitcoin by 1 p.m. for 45K, you can sell it by 6 p.m. for 46K. You can do that and just keep repeating that and keeping your profits. By the end of the month or year, you would have made some real profit, but you have to be careful because it goes both ways. Prices can fall too, so also study the market and check what people are saying about the coin online first. Do you want to know a trade secret? Cryptocurrencies have small differences in their prices on different exchanges. For example, one Bitcoin can be $45,000 on one exchange, but $6K on another. So if you buy it on the first exchange and you sell it on the other, you've made $1,000 just like that. But don't tell anyone I told you. Soon, you'll find other interesting ways to make money from your crypto trade or investment. Just like anything else, you get better with time. The important thing is getting started.